First, select Rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle shape. Press Ctrl T. With holding Shift, set the size of shape. Then choose Warp. Right-click, select Convert to Smart Object, then double-click on Layer. Open your image. Press Ctrl A, then Ctrl C. In rectangle shape, press Ctrl V, set your image. Then press Ctrl S. Open your main page. Choose Multiply. In Main Layer, choose Object Selection. Then select your object. In Rectangle layer, click on Mask. Then choose Levels. Click to clip the layers. Drag the slider if you want. I hope you enjoyed this video.